Welcome to another episode of Another Fat Guy Cooks. I'm your fat guy, Andy Baker, and today we're going to be making Roscoe's chicken and waffles, but as a lasagna, because we're insane. Let's go. Right, so hi, it's me from tomorrow when I'm trying to edit this nightmare of an episode that I've completely fucked up because I've only recorded half of it. So you missed the first bit, so I'm just going to sum the first bit up so you can sort of guess where we were going, and then you can get to the fun bit where I, put it all together and eat nice food. Right, so load of chicken thighs into a plastic bag with milk, a bit of vinegar, hot sauce, and an egg. Mix that all up, leave that for 4 hours, and that brines your chicken nicely. Once that's done, stick that in a bowl. Then you want to make your spice mixture, which is 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and then half teaspoon of baking powder, some oregano, some salt, and I think that's it. Was that it? Oh, some garlic powder. There you go. Mix all that together, chicken out of the wet, into the dry, into 350 degree oil, fry that bitch up, make some nice fried chicken, nice and easy. We were gonna make our own, we were gonna make our own waffles, but what we realized is that we were shit at making waffles, and this thing that I used to try and make the waffles with is fucking awful, so we just bought store-bought waffles. We just bought these guys and used these instead. Because the rule is, if you can't make it better than the shit you can buy in the shop, then just buy it in the shop. Easy. So where you're going to rejoin this video is me just finishing up frying the chicken, and then I'm going to start putting everything together. So you only missed the boring bit where I just put ingredients in a bowl. So you'll be fine. Was there anything else? I think that was about it. So yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video. Chicken come out of this, all moist. Go in this, gets all breaded. I mean, it's simple stuff. You've seen me make fried chicken before, but kind of annoyed that it cut the video off. And do this, and goes in here. We'll do 3 in one go for the last lot because that's how many are left, and I'm too lazy to do an extra batch. You missed so much good chat as well. I tried the Lord of the Rings beer. That was quite tasty. I complained about the Queen dying. Did that for a while. Just generally lots of griping and whinging. And we talked about the waffles that we're going to use for our lasagna. I mean, there was a lot that you've missed that I really can't be bothered to go over. And I'm still going to put this episode out however it fucking comes out. So, you know what? I don't care. I need like a fucking assistant. I really fucking need an assistant. Maybe I'll take the bit of audio that I've recorded that had no video and stick it on the Patreon or something for you Patreon people to have a listen to. Some of it was quite funny. Kind of lost the inclination to be funny now. Okay, so what we're going to do is get our knife and start deboning our chicken. It usually just means cutting off one piece. And then what we're going to do is, once we've deboned it, cut it into little chunks like that, and then throw it in this bowl. So find the bone, cut around the bone, and then try and get as much of it as we can. We should probably just try a bit of this Roscoe's fried chicken, right? Oh, the black pepper and the paprika really fucking come through. That's really good. Feels a bit sacrilegious to do this to fried chicken. Especially really good fried chicken. So, what we're going to do is add some maple syrup to this chicken. Like so. And then if you're a bit blind, this is your red sauce, yeah? So we're going to start off, chicken on the bottom, spread it around a bit, So we get a nice coating. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to make some more of this. And then we're going to go waffle, 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 waffle. Yeah. Push that all down. And then we're going to get our white chocolate and we're going to spread this across our waffles like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of chicken to this without the maple syrup. All the really good crunchy bits. A little bit more. Okay. And then we're going to go waffle again. We'll go the opposite direction. We'll cross hatch for stability. Oh man, I undercounted on my waffles. What a fucking idiot. And then we're going to get our maple syrup and chicken layer again. Finish off with this. All of that. Okay. Lovely. And probably needs a little bit more maple syrup. Nice. And then the last waffle layer. Push that down. Okay. And then to finish off, we're going to I'm going to try and just get chicken skin on the top, because why not? So we're just going to go for chicken skin on the top, nice and crunchy. Oh, look at that piece. Oh, should have saved more for this. So here we go. Oh, look at that. Load of chicken skin on the top. Last drizzle of maple syrup. Perfect. And then finish him off with a nice grating of parmesan. Yeah, you get me? You see what I'm doing here? White chocolate parm. You know when the lady comes to the table, she's like, tell me when to stop, and you just never do, because fuck her, and I want all that parm. And why not, we'll just stick a few more of these, I don't know, around the outside. And there we go. This is our Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles lasagna, otherwise known as an affront to God. We're going to go and bang this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Let those waffles get all nice and crunchy and waffly. Let everything all melt down and incorporate. And I'll be back so we can try it and see if we die. Okay. It's cooked. The waffles are all crunchy. It looks like it's good to go. The white chocolate is sort of melted-y. I don't quite know what the white chocolate's decided to do on top. It's almost like dehydrated white chocolate. I thought it'd just melt, but oh well, we'll see. Right, so, you ready for this? A little bit more maple syrup, why not? And side of whipped cream, I think. Nice big side of whipped cream. Alright, so Roscoe's chicken and waffles lasagna with white chocolate and maple syrup. Is it any good? It's fucking amazing. What the hell? It's so good. I mean, it's just chicken and waffles, really, with some white chocolate. So, you know, how's that going to be bad? I'm eating this whole thing. Oh my god. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. Let's go for 2,000. Let's fucking keep this going. Please subscribe to the Patreon if you want to donate a little bit of money every month. Keep this going. Keep me in pocket so I can afford to do stupid shit like this. Patreon.com/AFGC. That's the one. That's it. Roscoe's chicken and waffles with white chocolate, maple syrup and whipped cream as a lasagna, because why not? Peace.
Another fat guy could